Hi everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to take about 5 minutes and I'm going to talk about the wonderful journaling thing that people often refer to as like a brain dump or freestyle writing or anything where you're getting what's in here out onto the page of your notebook. But what you're going to do is you're going to take 10 minutes and you're going to write out everything that just flows into your mind onto paper. Just free write. It doesn't have to be anything. You don't even have to have a subject to start writing. You can just write the pen in my hand is blue. You just start writing, and then it will all start flooding out and it will just come out. And I kind of liken this to spring cleaning. So you know how when you have like a messy place and you just want to get it clean, you just throw everything in the trash. You're just chucking everything in the trash, sweeping things up in big piles, putting them in the garbage. You're not carefully going through every little thing, trying to decide, if it's good or it's bad. The garage, for instance, is full of junk and you just know it's all junk. So you just throw it all away and you just sweep, 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 shove it all in bags, get it all out to the curb, get it out. That is exactly what I want you to do in your journal for 10 minutes every day, morning or evening, take your pick. But what this is going to do for you, this is going to help you be a more clear thinker. It's going to help you be more creative. It's going to help you feel more at peace. And it's just a really great exercise also just to get you started with your writing, like maybe your regular journal, so you can keep like a little junk drawer journal. I would rather call it a junk drawer journal than a brain dump journal. I don't like the term brain dump. I prefer like the junk drawer journal where you just throw all the junk that's in your mind and close it up and you never have to look at it again. And that's the key to this one, is that you don't ever have to look at it again. It doesn't have to make any sense whatsoever. I mean, it can just be a bunch of gobbledygook that makes no sense to anyone, least of all you. And you just getting all the stuff that's in your head out. And then once you do that, then you're going to be more inspired to write, maybe if you're writing a novel, you'll be more inspired to write that. You'll be more inspired to keep a journal. You'll be more inspired in general. Like more creativity will just flow from you and you will feel like your heart will feel lighter. You won't have such a heavy feeling in your soul, I guess. It's like a soul purge. Yeah. So it's really, really useful. And I hope that you decide to try it. If you've never tried it before, I hope you do decide to try it. Yeah, so if you have never tried it, I hope you do. And if you have tried it, please leave a comment down below, because I think people would really love to hear what other people's experience is with it. I know for me, I feel lighter afterwards. Like all of my struggles from the day, or from the day before are just better. I get more of a perspective and I just get all that stuff that's floating around in my head for free. I mean, I give plenty of rent space up there for free to stuff that just doesn't need to be there. And so it's just a really great way to just get rid of it. Just get rid of it. And there's something magical that happens when you write it on paper and then you close the book. It's like, okay, that's done. I don't need to think about it anymore. So I don't know what psychological thing that is, but that's how it is for me. Like I'm done with that. I don't have to think about it anymore. I can move on now. And then I just do, and my day is so much better for it. So that's about 5 minutes, guys. So I'm going to bid you adieu. If you find value in this, please give me a thumbs up, and it helps me know what to do. Like, I'm not trying to collect numbers or collect subscribers, because I would much rather have a few people that really engage with me than a whole bunch of people that just don't care. So, I'm not really about the numbers, but the thumbs up tells me that you liked it and you want more content like this, as well as subscribing and everything like that. So if you're new here, please subscribe. And that will encourage me to keep going and keep making this type of content. If you'd like to check out my other channel, please do so. That's more personal stuff. And yeah, hopefully you would enjoy that as well. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.